Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to wash delicate clothes in Samsung front load washing machine. So let's check it out. We are using the Samsung front load washing machine, but these steps could be applicable for other brand washing machines too. Delicate clothes like undergarments, nightwear, some blouses, etc. should be handled with care, especially when we are washing them. We should not treat them like normal clothes because their fabric material and handling are different. To wash them, we are going to use two products, a mesh bag and a detergent which is friendly for delicates. Mesh bags like this give us the required protection for washing our delicate clothes. We have the zip here. We can take it out and we can open it. We can open it and we can put our delicate clothes inside and then we can close it. They have a section for hiding our zip here. We just have to push it and the zip will go inside so that it won't open accidentally. This is from LG. I got this from Amazon. I'll share the product link in the description. And I also have another one. This is for lingerie and stuff. This is from Miniso. So there are different types of mesh bags. You can pick the one according to your clothes. These bags come handy while washing our delicate clothes. And about the detergent, we can use any specialized one for delicates. For general clothes, we can try products like Tide, Ariel, etc. And for delicate clothes, we can get something dedicated for this. This is from Godrej called EC, a good brand overall used for winter and delicate clothes. They don't have any soda formula. Again, you can use any specialized detergent available in your local place. I'll share all the product links in the description. You can check it out after watching this video if you are interested. Now after putting our delicate clothes inside the mesh bag, we can place them inside the drum. Make sure the zip is properly inside this holder and also make sure not to overload these mesh bags with our clothes. So we can just simply place them inside the drum like this. We can also additionally add a few clothes. Make sure they are not heavily soiled. We have to add these clothes to balance the drum. We can add it like this and we can close the drum. Now it's time to select the correct wash cycle for this. We have to turn on. By default on our Samsung front load washer, we have this delicates option. We have to use a specialized detergent for this. Maximum of 2 kg and it will take 35 minutes to complete. Suppose if we have wool material, we can select the wool wash cycle as well. We will have this somewhere here, so we can use this. So for this maximum of 2 kg, it will take around 53 minutes. So we can select the one we want. We will go with delicates this time. This one. We have to make sure that we are not using hot water for this. We can go with cold water. It will help to prevent shrinking. We can select the temperature symbol here to adjust the water temperature. Additionally, we can check out the custom wash cycles provided by Samsung SmartThings app. This is available for both Android and iOS platforms. We will make a separate full video for this about how to create these custom wash cycles. Please do subscribe to get notified about this. Here they have provided custom ones for curtains, pillow cover, lingerie. So we can select them as well. But right now we will go with the delicates itself. So now it's time to add the specialized liquid detergent. We don't have to use any fabric softener for this. We can avoid this. We have to make sure we are adding the proper quantity of liquid detergent. For 2 kg of clothes, 10 to 20 ml of detergent is fine. Now we can close this and we can start the delicates wash cycle. So make sure the temperature is not hot and make sure that we have 2 kg of clothes. It will take around 35 minutes to complete. So we can start this. That's all. As soon as the wash cycle completes, we have to take them out. We can dry the clothes normally in the shade and not in direct sunlight. Also, we should regularly wash the laundry mesh bags too. That's all. So these are the things we have to keep in mind. We have to use mesh laundry bag and we should also clean them regularly. We have to use a mild or delicates liquid detergent. We have to use delicates or gentle wash cycle. We shouldn't use any fabric softener. We have to use cold water. We have to check the care labels properly. And we should use low spin speed and we should air dry them in shade and not in direct sunlight. That's all. These are the steps to wash our delicate clothes in Samsung front load washing machine. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.